Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today's video, I'm going to be using a bunch of Sephora brand products. I just wanted to see if I could create a complete flawless complexion using Sephora brand. Because the Sephora spring sales event is still going on until April 24th, I definitely wanted to get my hands on some Sephora brand products and see how they work, because you just can't beat that savings. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look using some Sephora brand products, then keep on watching. So my face is already moisturized. I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe. This is the Strawberry Pore Smooth Blur Drops. I've been super excited to try this out. I'm gonna go in with about this much and concentrate it right in my cheek areas, because that's pretty much where I have my pore issues. As I work it in, it starts to feel a little thicker and slightly tacky, just slightly. So I can already tell this is going to be one of those primers that your makeup just kind of grips to, and then it looks slightly more mattified, and it does fill in my pores a little bit. Another product I've been excited to try is the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. This one's in the shade 35N. Make sure you shade a little bit lighter because this does oxidize a little darker. And I'm gonna start off with one pump. To blend the foundation, I'm going to use the Sephora number 64 brush. This is one of my favorite Sephora foundation brushes. So with one pump, I got about a medium-ish coverage. Going in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer, I got this one in the shade 35N as well. I didn't know that the concealer oxidizes just like the foundation does, so I probably should have gone one shade lighter. I feel like this is just going to dry to my actual skin tone and not do any brightening, because with my concealer, I don't really apply concealer under the eyes to conceal because I don't really have any bags or darkness under my eyes. I use concealer to highlight with. Yeah, we'll see. It does look slightly lighter, but not as light as I normally like to brighten my under eyes, but I do like the color. It looks really nice and natural. I'm gonna use my Sculpt Tape contour wand. Gonna take a little tiny bit of my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is the regular formula, and set directly under my eye. Now to set all over, I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color Mahagany. This is a staple in my makeup routine. To bronze the skin, I'm going to use another Micro Smooth powder. This one's a little bit darker. It's in the color Ebony. For the brows, I'm going to use a new product as well, which is the Sephora Brow Pencil. This one's in the color Soft Charcoal. I like it because it's a very cool tone brown. It doesn't have those reddish undertones. It's a super slim pencil and it's strong. You know how some pencils are so skinny that you feel like you have to use a light hand because it'll break? Y'all, the quality is really good. I tried this one out yesterday. The opposite side does have a spoolie on it, which is super convenient. I think this pencil is $12, so 30% off of $12, you know, you cannot beat that. I'm thinking about going to get just one more, so it'll last me all the way until the next sale in November, because this is really good and you really can't beat the price. Taking the same Micro Smooth powder in the color Ebony, I'm just going to sweep this on my lid. Patrick Star One Size Visionary palette. I'm gonna take the color Brownie. The Fenty Beauty Liquid Kilowatt in the color Hustler Baby. I'm gonna just dot that right in the inner corners. Sephora Collection Liquid Eyeliner. This one's in the color Chocolate. Going in with the Sephora Ultimate Gel Liner. This one's in the color Cobalt. Okay, y'all, so this liner, the Sephora liners, the gel liners, once you put them on, they set instantly and do not move. So if you want to smudge it how this one is, you literally have to apply the liner and then immediately smudge, in the same with the next one, then apply the next one and then immediately smudge, because it sets down so quickly. Gonna brighten under my eye with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. This one's in the color 2. For lip liner, I'm gonna use the Sephora brand lip liner. This one is in the color Molasses. This is one of my favorite lip liners. It's the deepest color brown that I own. Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick in the color Pillow Talk. And Sephora Collection's glossed lip gloss in the color Brave. My skin is really giving very much buttery smooth. I'm not sure if it's the foundation or if it's the combination of the blur drops and the foundation, but I love how creamy my skin looks. And I'm so glad that I got like that shade lighter, like the socialites recommended, because the color looks really good as well. It's like a dead on match. You absolutely can get a flawless complexion with Sephora brand products. 30% off, I'm just saying. They're already one of the most affordable brands at Sephora, so when you combine 30% off, for me, it's just a no-brainer. If you've used any of the Sephora brand products or recommend any Sephora brand products that I haven't used in this tutorial today, comment down below and let me know what are some of those items that I should pick up before the sale ends. If you enjoyed this video or found any value in this video today, I would appreciate if you give me a big thumbs up. That way YouTube can push my video out to more people. Every single thing that I use today will be linked down below in the description box. Keep in mind, a lot of the items are going to be affiliate links, meaning that I would receive a small commission if you guys shop through those links. So I do want to encourage you guys to click on the links in the description box. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scar.